magkakaroon sila ng chance to earn more and even reach their dreams, no? Kung gusto nila magkaroon ng sariling kotse, sariling bahay, kasi ang ganda talaga ng earning potential sa iOS. Ayan. So, paano ako nag-join ng iOS? Basically, kasi yung mga agents na under our team, nagtatanong sa akin, Sir Mark, pwede bang mag-accredit tayo sa iOS? Ganyan. So, andun yung demand, no? Kasi siguro nakita rin nila sa online yung iOS and they got very curious. So, nung nalaman ko na si Miss Hart pala ang brainchild ng iOS, I've known Miss Hart more than 10 years ago pa po, no? From another business. So, I immediately set up a meeting with her para pag-usapan namin how we can partner. So, ganon. And the rest is history. Yung tanong na bakit maganda gawing negosyo yung iOS, no? Una-una sa lahat, madali pong i-sell yung HMO na iOS kasi ito lang yung may pinakamataas na coverage for pre-existing conditions on the first year, no? So, karamihan kasi ng HMO, kadalasan, after 1 year pa ang coverage of pre-existing. Kung sakali man, mababa lang po yung coverage nila sa pre-existing condition like 5%, 10%. So, iOS offers the highest PEC coverage on the first year, which is 50% on the first year. No? So, napakalaki niyan. Even dreaded illnesses will be covered after 6 months. So, marami po talaga naghahanap ng ganong klaseng HMO and ang laki talaga ng market. So, kumbaga, clients na po ang naghahanap ng produkto at yung mga iOS agents, actually, naghintay na lang talaga sila ng mga clients. No? So, ganun kalaki yung demand for the product. And lastly, bakit maganda siyang negosyo? Kasi maganda yung commission, no? So, pag madali benta ang product, mas madali pong magkakaroon ng commission and perfect timing, no? Para sa mga agents, especially freelance agents, yung mga may work right now, gusto magkaroon ng good additional income, no? Additional source of income, mas magkakaroon sila ng chance to earn more and even reach their dreams, no? Kung gusto nila magkaroon ng sariling kotse, sariling bahay, kasi ang ganda talaga ng earning potential sa iOS. So, I invite everyone, no? This, aside from that pala, napakaganda ng PhilCare, no? PhilCare is one of the pioneer HMO companies in the Philippines and technology-driven, no? Napakaganda nung servicing niya, pati yung mobile app niya, napaka-accessible and convenient for the clients. Kaya, in partnership with PhilCare, no, ang iOS, you can never go wrong. So, yun. We invite everyone to check the opportunity with iOS. iOS na ako. Ikaw, iOS ka na ba?